In this guide, we will take a deep dive into iTunes backup recovery. If you have created an iTunes backup for your iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch before, you can't miss this video. Part 1. How to restore iPhone or iPad from iTunes backup. Apple root. Plug iPhone into computer. Open iTunes. Click Devices. Choose Backup. Restore backup. Pick your backup and click Restore. Part 2. How to recover backup from iTunes selectively using Doctor for iOS. iTunes doesn't allow previewing backups. Hence, tools like Mobican Doctor for iOS are popular. They recover specific data without restoring the entire backup. To use this iTunes data recovery tool, just download and install it on your computer and follow the steps below to recover iPhone data from iTunes backup. Step 1. Open Doctor for iOS on your computer. Step 2. Scan the files in your iTunes backup. Step 3. Extract data from iTunes backup. Part 3. How to find iTunes backup location on PC and Mac. 1. For Windows 10.8.7, navigate to the following directory. Users username app data roaming Apple computer mobile sync backup. Replace username with your Windows username. On Mac, open Finder on your Mac. Click Go in the menu bar at the top of your screen. Select Go to Folder. Enter the following path. Library application support mobile sync backup. Press Go.